Meaning of half bath.
Half bath.
Half bath.
Half bath.
Half bath. A half bath typically refers to a bathroom that contains only a sink and a toilet, but no bathtub or shower. This type of bathroom is usually located in a home's main living area and is intended for guests or quick trips. The term half and half bath comes from the fact that it has half the fixtures of a full bathroom. Having a half bath can be convenient for homeowners who frequently entertain guests, as it provides an additional space for guests to freshen up without having to use the homeowner's personal bathroom.